CO2 nasa driver side, sir, yung first row po natin na upper deck. Yung blanket po sa upuan, sir, for free na po yan. Pwede ka natin.
Okay. CO2. Dito po tayo.
Gentlemen, on behalf of our bus driver, Mr. Camacho, I am Alvi, your boss stewardess. Welcome aboard Victory Liner Royal Class Bus bound to Cubao Terminal. Our travel time will be approximately 4 to 5 hours. For your comfort, we have a washroom located at the backside of the bus, and we are pleased to inform you that a free Wi-Fi service is available all throughout the journey. Should you need any assistance, please do not hesitate to inform me anytime during the trip. And please kindly fasten your seatbelts and enjoy the rest of the trip. Thank you.
Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, maibang balik ang kahapon. Natatandaan mo pa ba nang tayong dalawa ay ang unang nakita? Panahon ng kamusmusan sa piling ng mga bulaklak at halaman, doon tayo ay nagsimula mangarap at umulan. Natatandaan mo pa ba inukit kong puso sa punong mangga, ang inalay kong kumambela, magkahawak kamay sa dalampasigan, malayang tulad ng mga ibon, ang gulita ng ating kahapon.